Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2015-2018 Hyundai Sonata? This issue commonly arises when the car's system can't authenticate your key fob, preventing you from starting the engine. The Sonata uses a proximity key fob with a lithium-ion battery and an RFID transponder. A weak or dead battery is often the culprit. The car needs the fob to be within 1 to 3 feet of the start button to detect it. First, try placing the fob in the cup holder or center console, ensuring it's as close as possible to the start button. Press the brake pedal firmly and attempt to start the car. If that fails, some users have found temporary success by disassembling the fob and using foil to bridge the battery contacts, giving it a temporary surge. However, this is risky and can cause damage. As a last resort, explore the 10-press start button method found in online tutorials. Rapidly press the start button 10 times with the brake pedal depressed. Be aware this might trigger the anti-theft system. Ultimately, replacing the key fob battery, typically a CR2032, is the most reliable solution. Consider using an OBD2 scanner to diagnose immobilizer status and avoid unnecessary dealer visits.